how to verify your age on Telegram. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your age on Telegram. So let's get started. So you can do it from the Telegram application. What you need to do is simply open your desktop version of Telegram, whether on your PC or any of the search engine you have on your device. Let's say we're going to open it on Safari. So you can simply search for web.telegram.org and you will be redirected to Telegram. Next, what you're going to do is click on these three horizontal lines at the top left, and then you're going to scroll down and click on settings. Once you do so, you'll be taken over to your settings. What you're going to do is simply scroll to the bottom and you'll be able to see privacy and security. Click on it, go all the way to the bottom again, and here you'll be able to see sensitive content. Show 18 plus content, do not hide media that contains content suitable only for adults. Simply click on this checkbox. If you have not uploaded your CNIC or passport on Telegram, then they will ask for ID verification. So you'll be able to see a button that will say ID verification. Simply click on that. And then you're going to take a picture of your passport or any driver license in order to prove that you're older than 18. Once done, you're good to go. And that is how you can verify your age on Telegram. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.